this is cheap plastic junk. I really didn't like it. Plus it had a water restrictor in it that was impossible to remove. So I bought that. Look how nice that is. It's beautiful. And it matches the brushed nickel that was already here in the shower. But it works great. See? It took me 60 seconds, I think, to unscrew the other one and to put this one on. And I'm really happy with it. It does not have a low flow thing in it. It gives the full pressure and you don't have to remove anything. I'm happy.